Thank you from people in the house. $1 million in the house. Hi. Santosh. Thank you to people. Thank you so much to people in the house. Good morning, you too. Good morning. Thank you for the likes. Thank you po. Umaga na dito. Alas 2. Nagising. Di na makatulog. Salamat sa nag-like. Marukang. Thank you sa likes. Thanks for the likes. 10 people. Hello. Hello, Cheryl. Hi. Like to Brazil. From Brazil. Hi, Mimian Parada. Bari. Hi, Bari Gonzalez. Five Flames. Hi, Five Flames. Hi, Cheryl. My vacation is over. I go back to work today. So I won't be able to say hi very much or see you much anymore. Okay, it's okay, sir. It's okay, Five Flames. No worries. Thank you for dropping by here to say hi. I wish I could just quit my job. No, no need. Job is, our life. Source of income. How are you? I'm from Indonesia. Hi, Mimi Parada from Indonesia. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Gotta work. Okay. Thank you for joining. Five Flames. God bless. Paulo, Sao Paulo, Brazil. Hi, Ricardo from Brazil. Thank you so much. 14 people in the house. Thanks. Fontapan. What it means. I'm gonna miss seeing your face. Just visit my channel and watch my video. Danielle. 20 people in the house. Thanks a lot. Thank you for the likes and likes. Thank you so much. Thanks for sharing your time with me, with everyone. Hi, thanks. Hello, thanks. Pandemonium. Pandemonium. 9 likes. 31 people here. Thanks you. Pandemonium. Call. How's your father doing? My father, he's in. He's at home now. He will feel better. We're hoping he will feel better. Thank you, thanks. Have a good stream and good night. See you soon, I hope. Yeah. Thank you, Five Lanes. Have a good day. Phone typing. Phone typing. Phone type. Phone typing. Thank you for the. Thank you so much. 57 people here. Hello. Thank you so much. Where are you from? 57. Thank you so much for. Thank you, guys. 'Cause I'm with you. Hi, Gratist. Founding money. Thank you, 13 people. 43 like people. 43 people here. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. My God. I'm fine, Shaki. Shaki. Where are you from? Shake. Thank you for the people in the house. Thank you so much. I'm on Pakistan. Okay. Nice to meet you here. Hi, Edward Mocha. So, Artie? Hey, Artie. Jerry. Hindi ka pa natutulog. Yeah. Hindi makatulog. You're a nice. Thank you. I'm nice because no reason to be mad. So, I'm nice. Oh my God. Halaka. Bakit halaka? Hi, Hex. Thank you for joining. How are ya? Cheryl, how are you po? I'm fine. How about you, Hags? Ma'am, usap po tayo. Ma'am, usap ko. Ano? Ang kulit. Thank you. 34 million yen. Ano sabihin nyo? Salamat sa pag-likes. Taga saan kayo? Yung mga pangalan nyo. Yung ginagawa. I'm alright. It's always good seeing you, Cheryl. Oh, thank you. Colette McCollum. Hey, Julia Har. Hey, Julia Har. Hello, hey, Julia Har. Hey, Julia Har. 49 people. Thank you so much. Hi, Martin. Double tap your screen and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Martin. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Sleep. Yeah. 51 people. How are you, my beautiful friend? I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you? Not tired? I'm okay. To the 7 people, thank you so much. Double tap your screen in a hurry. I don't forget to subscribe. Hurry up. Thank you for your support. Thank you, Martin. For the 7 people in the house, thank you. Ay, titulog na po. Hindi nga makatulog eh. Can't sleep. 57 million here now. Thank you po. Kumusta? Hindi makatulog. Sa kakaisip sa'yo, huha-ha. Ilan mo kagatas, saka sariwang egg, makes effective daw yun. Talaga? Try ko. Walang egg. Wala rin gatas. Bukas na lang. Sa sunod na lang stock ako na. Double tap your screen, guys. Use some support. Thank you. Thank you, Martin. Joao Salva. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Kapag di pa gumana, red horse na. Parang bit ko yung red horse. Parang magre-red horse tayo, ganun. The red horse. My gulay. Super chat, super sticker, and membership. Also, PayPal is available. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Mother. Use the heart button, it helps to channel 100%. Please press the heart. Thank you, Martin. Oh my god, the dog barks. Team Mauricio, hi. Berbukol. Wala turong. Turong wala si Papa. Ay. Berbukol. Ay. Marbukon turog na. Luwa lang at turog na. Marbukon turog na. Hindi na nakaintindi. Sabi ko kang paluwayan mo yun kay Marbukon. Oh, thank you, 92 people. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you. I'm a Mel. be shy, guys. Just smash that like button, tap that screen, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, Mare. Thank you so much. So, thank you so much. Like, what it means, Manuel. Hiya sauce Cameron. Cameron. Oh my god. Send super chat for super dance. Thank you for your support. Super chat for super dance. Super chat ay super dance. My god. 93 people. Oh my god. Thanks so much. For the 93. No super chat. Thank you po. Anong ginagawa? Taga saan kayo? Where from, guys? 89 people in the house. Salamat. That's not less. Beautiful people in the house. Oh my god, people quiet at 75 people here. Very quiet. Love the top. Hey, top right. Why quiet people? Great hair. Oh, thank you. Great hair. Thank you so much. 86 people in the house. Double tap your screen, guys. If it's free, show some support. Show some love. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, Martin. Hola. Who SM3? Who is M3? Different channel name. Cheryl, you're cute, sweet. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Daryl Jabray. Where are you from, Daryl? Ricardo? Alinda. Nice to meet you here. From Brazil, Sao Paulo from Brazil. Angel Bernardes, hello. like 91 people in here, only 28 likes. Double tap your screen, guys. Thank you, Martin. Oh my god. Mario Bravo. Hi, Mario Bravo. It's freezing here. The same. Okay. Hi, Mano. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Mano. What's up? Tagasan ka? Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. Axiom. Hi, Axiom. Oyamod. Iti. Amo. Dions. Hi, Dions. Idelson Salva. Idelson Salva. Idelson da Salva. Do you like my message? Alright. Colosimo Santos. I'm a cat. I'm a cat. Shall just change my name. It's me, Alex. Ah, Alex. Where are you from, Alex? I forgot. Sorry, I forgot. May asawa ka na. Look. Wala. Nga nga. Sleep tight. Oh, thank you. Yeah. I'll see you later. Have a good one. Thank you, Jaro. Tap the screen and subscribe, everyone. Thank you for your support. Thank you, Martin. She's beautiful today. Thank you, Mano. Mano po. 95 people here. 29 likes. Thanks a lot. It's alright. My God, Cheryl, you can't stop. Hope you can. I sleep. I just wake up. I pee and then can't sleep when I pee. I just wake up when I pee, so then I can't sleep. So I'm doing live. I feel bored. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Hex. You can't stop. I'm working. What are you doing? Like Brandon Paul. Hi, Brandon. It's greatest. Oh, 96 people here. Oh my god, a lot now. Tap your screen and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Martin. 31 likes. How is your father doing? He's fine. Hoping that he fast recovery. Tommy Boy. Sure, you look so pretty today. Thank you, Sir Tommy Boy. Nate C. Care. Nate C. Care. It's alright. Should I watch you build secret? I don't know. Oh my god. I don't know if thank you for see me as beautiful, but oh my god. Thank you. 104, my god, wow, it's a lot of people here now. From India, nice to meet you from India. Navnet, IKEA. Yes, and more like- My god. Thank you, 99 like people. Uzbekistan, salam. Hi, nice to meet you here. Dobrano. Dobrano. Morning. Thank you so much, guys. It's alright. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, 113 people here now. Oh my god. Clever son, Williams. Casada soltera. Jiwed Niazi. Hi, Jiwed Niazi. 102 by God. Hey guys. So, so 122, 32 lang ang likes. Where? Hi. What it means we're here. Arabiat. Ano? Thank you so much. It's alright. Hi, Kenneth. Do you want true love? Or do you pick the man that takes care of him? Huh? Huh? Double tap your screen, guys. Show some support. Thank you. It's, thank you for the 35 likes. Thank you for the like. Thank you so much. I said it wrong. I'm sorry. I meant to ask, did you marry for true love? Or do you marry the man that you don't love but who brings the most stability in your life? Maybe both. I mean that person. I mean the personality as the same person. Maybe no need to separate that. Stability. Then sorry, it's fine. No need to worry. Can it? Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Yeah, that's why. It's alright. 35 likes. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Oh, 130 people. Oh my god. The man who you marry for true love could be very poor or maybe not very wealthy, right? And the man that brings the most ability might be the very wealthy man. That's why I ask. I think I prefer to the man that who really loves me. Uh, yeah, because when he really loves me, he do what he will do what I want. Like he will makes me happy. Even he's not wealthy, he makes me happy. He will makes me peace of mind. He he will do the best that makes me smile. Something like that. If I marry the man that I love, maybe it's wrong because even if he not good for me, I love him. I'm weak and I experienced that before. I love that person, but that's the wrong one. It's toxic, but I still love her. I still love him. Yeah, I experienced love before, but thank God it's over because maybe God thinks is he's not good for me because mm, I have no peace of mind, controlling, manipulating, ignoring, insensitivity. Even if I feel get hurt, mm, something they don't care about what I feel. If the man who really loves me, maybe he will do what he makes me hurt. He will not do him. He can't do that the things that makes me hurt, something like that. He he will do what makes me smile, makes me happy. I'm just a simple woman. I'm not asking too much. That's why listen learn. Super chat, super stickers, and membership also people is available everyone. Thank you so much, Martin. Do you speak German? No, I'm not speak German. Thank you so much. I didn't like stability. I had spell check. It's fine. No worries, Kenneth. Wow, what a great answer. That was really amazing, considering your situation and everything. A lot of you know, even here, women marry for different reasons. Yeah, I think something like that. Women marry for a different reason, but at the first, um, at the first, women marry for love. That's why the first love, the marriage is true feelings. But that's why they sometimes maybe they can getting works. Not all women. Different lives, something changes. I don't know. Maybe me. I'm me. Me. Mhm. I want quality relationship, even not quality lifestyle, but relationship. To respect something, respect each other, know the limitations. What a great character you have. What a great lady. Stay well, good girl. Thank you, guys. Sometimes, guys, married for different reasons. So yeah, married for different reasons. Thank you, 72 people. Alpha, good to meet you, ma'am. Thank for sharing your time. Hi, Alpha Annie. 2 a.m. in the morning there, and you're up working. Actually, I just wake up 4 p. I feel I pee. Then I'm trying to go into sleep but can't sleep, so I'm doing live. I work. I just subscribe and like. Oh, thank you all for Anning. Thank you all for. Where are you from, Alpha? Sorry, Karen. Mm. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Lulu. Are you kidding? Pee? Yes, it's normal. Pee and wash. Not kidding. It's normal. Hi, hey Daniel. Ate, I'm from Puerto Rico, living in USA. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you here, Alpha. Yes, yes. How you doing? I'm going live. Sit down at your chair, and then going live. I'm working. Welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Martin. How was your Christmas and New Year? Christmas and New Year is happy. It's fine, happy. Great Christmas and New Year. You are working, it's okay to be working and have friends at the same time. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Yeah. Awful seems like a good lad. Thank you for your respect. Yeah, I'm glad to hear that. I hope you and family are doing well. Thank you all for. You're good people here on your channel. There's also bad people, but good people. Yeah, sometimes, it's a balance. Having a bad and a good people. Having being a good people, you need to handle the bad people. You can see you're a good people if you can't handle the bad people, like how to as in Florida, guys hit the hard bottom. Show some love. It helps the channel. Thank you, Martin. Martin Laporte, nice to meet you. Thank you, Alpha. Nice to meet you guys. I'd like heart bottom shoe, Alberto. Di ba na siya? Para ustedes también tengan considerado. Nice to meet you too. If you stick around Filipino channel, you will see me everywhere as a moderator. Oh wow. Good job. Martin, I didn't know that. I really didn't. How does it help the channel? How does it help the channel? Cheryl, what did you think of Frank's live? He likes to tease, and he was teasing a lot yesterday afternoon. Yeah, he teased a lot yesterday. I think. I think Sir Fred Poshet push me, push you. Not being as smart as up anything and to help your channel is good. Algorithm, it helps the channel. Oh wow, really? Algorithm of yeah, wow. Even when people watch videos and likes and comments, it helps also. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for explaining, Martin. I don't know about that. Sorry. Hey, how are you? I'm fine. Yeah, I knew about the comments and the likes, right? I know about that's why even if it's just a small comment or something very silly, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Thank you, Martin. All people hit the likes, thanks. Gerard Cumanil, Una Belladonna, Una Belladonna. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Martin Loparty, I just subscribe and like, sir. I think it's okay, it's fine. I'll go. I'll follow. No worries. Oh my god, thank you, Apple. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sunlight, sun. Thank you so much for super chat. Super sticker. Yeah. Yeah. Canada was well. Um, how was your migraine? It is better, yeah. Yeah, the latest helps me to feel better. Also, Alpha, thank you for subscribing to me. I will subscribe to you also, yeah. Hey, yeah, Cheryl trying to be a matchmaker. Oh, yeah, that's why Sir Alfred is trying to. But it's good, we'll see. Yeah, we will see. More than okay. Thank you, Alpha. You very nice and cut. Thank you. What what was the name of the plant that you place on your forehead? Said it again. It really I didn't really understand. It helps me to feel relieve the headache. Uh, Many people, I mean here in the province, use it traditional herbal they call here the name of the plants. I think not the plant. It's a tree. It's called here mm, anunang 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 leaves. I will be raffle 5,000 pesos soon between all my subscribers. If you'd like to participate, just subscribe to my channel and hope for mini cash. Oh my god, really Alpha. I will subscribe your channel. Oh, hope I win. Where? When? Win the raffle. Tree leaf. Yeah, the tree leaf. Alpha, you have 28 subscribers now. Ah, you have 28 subscribers now. Oh my god. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry. Thank you so much. 48 people. 41. It's alright. Thank you guys. cannot check my channel activity, you can subscribe to me from more than. Yes, I hope so. Yeah, you will grow also. I remember I will start as in zero subs before, but it well you need to be friendly, something like that. You need to be patient. Black Knight, hello Black Knight. Dancing in the moonlight. That's good channel. I like the picture, especially the wolf. Wow, the wolf. Black Knight. You're Angel. No, I'm not Angel. Oh my god, I'm Angel. I'm Filipina. Filipino. Filipino. Hip Well, I really raffle 100,000 pesos between my new friends from Batangas. As soon I pay them, I will plan for next raffle this year for sure. Oh my god, 100. Oh, really? $100,000? What? Maybe pesos, not dollar. Well, I already raffle. Wow, between my new friends from. As soon I pay them, I will plan for next raffle this year for sure. Oh my god. Thank you, Kenneth. But I can't believe you do it. Oh my god. Are you sure about that? Yeah, he killed the wolf. Martin, where do you do most of your hunting? Yeah, I use cable snares. I love a wonderful blackness from blackness. I live in Canada, the mountains. You two pieces, that's not a bad idea though. It's oh my god, I think maybe it's pesos. $100,000. It's oh my god. It's a lot. I need some there steak on Saturday man was it's good. Yeah. I'm not looking to have a big channel to keep doing live streams. I can't sit and talk too much to people. I'm short conversating. Oh, okay. Pesos. Ah, pesos. That's why. Yeah. It's pesos is possible for pesos. $4. Oh my god, lots of money. I wish to have $100,000. Yeah. 100,000. Even if 100,000 pesos. Oh my god, not lots of money. Oh my god. How I wish I have a 100,000 pesos. I want to win. I went to my sister's house and my nephew kills a lot of their Martin. That's awesome. I hunted and Martin mean a lot when I was younger. Hello, Donnie. It's my favorite sport, honestly, but the wolves, I catch them with cable snares. Did you see the picture with all the wolves on the bank? The barn. Thank you for the 7 likes. It's alright. Martin Don, just subscribe. Ah, thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mr. Classic. Mr. Classic. Sure, can you is there hunting in the Philippines? The Philippines. I I know I can't experiencing, but they hunting too. But no, can't allow hunting here because of they protect the animal. Never hunt game my respect. I like guns, so we carry some in Puerto Rico. Blue toy, hey. I love when you play the games. I want to win 100,000 pesos. Oh my god. So you can't hunt, no, can't hunt crocodile or pigs. Or pigs here, they take care of the pigs and then after 3 months or they can resell the outside truck and yeah, the pig. But they can't hunt crocodile or some no. I trapped the wolves with cable snares. Oh my god. Ate, where you at? Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. My fiancé is from Pangasinan. Oh wow. You have a Filipino fiance. I know Philippines. Ah, okay. Hi, how are you? Kabagambi Robert. Kabagambi Robert. I do, yes. Wow. Nice to meet you, Apple. Hope you, when you marriage. When the, we're together again. We're together. Oh my god, look, my pants. Martin, the wolves in Canada are huge. I've been there 2 times already. Wow. Good to hear for you, Sir Olaf. Awful. Yes, they are Mr. Classic. I have more picture of big males. That picture is a female. I'm fresh and good. So, Ricardo, hi. We'll be there soon in February 4 till February 11. You're going to Canada? Mr. Classic, you have now 29 subscribers. Wow, 29 subscribers. Airplane flights to Philippines now are pretty cheap. I thought they were. Ah, they were. Kenneth. Where are you from, Kenneth? Maybe you say that before, but I forgot. I'm from Uganda, Kabagambe, Robert. I live in Texas. I'm in Texas. Nice to meet you, Kenneth. Sir Kenneth. That's it. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Simon Knight. Thank you, Simon Knight. Starting getting ready to retire in the Philippines. Long road ahead. I'm 43. I still have a long 20 years ahead. Oh my god, to retire. I'm patiently waiting and working hard for it. You can do it. Alpha. What's up? How is my favorite lady? Oh my god, favorite. Hi, Simon. Still awake, wide awake, doing live again. I live a crossing border with Canada across the river in Ohio. Wow, Ohio. Alpha, do you know Upper Canada Village? I am from Brazil. Hey, wow, from Brazil. I know Brazil, but not never been in Brazil. Brandon. Hi. Uganda, Texas. And meet you guys. Simon Knight. Nice to see a beautiful lady. How's his loyalty to her man? Oh my god. Beautiful woman from Joao. Hey Brazil, salutes from Alpha. No Brazil. Love you blushing. It was beautiful. My God. Uh, Thank you. Marlin and Maine, they have a huge problem with coyotes. They will pay you for each you kill. They will pay you for each you kill. Your smile is magical. Oh, suddenly it's magical. Is being a Ugandan bad. Mr. Classic, that's a bounty. I know what you mean down here. There's millions of coyotes and wolves. From Simon Knight, even Lily loves a playful side. It's the calm, darling. Oh my god. Martin Arda or maybe Classic, you might know are the wolves still protected in the United States. United States? Mr. Classic, did you see the barn on my picture full of coyotes and wolves? I don't think they are protected because the trappers traps coyotes and sometimes catches wolf. Oh, sure. What's your favorite food? Pork, beef, or chicken, or maybe even goat? Not goat. Oh my God. Maybe my favorite food. Um, wait, Beckel Express. Like vegetables, seafoods, something like that. Seafoods. Yeah. Seafoods, vegetable fruits, and fruits. Salad, fruit salad. Nice to meet you here, Mike Omosar. Nice to meet you too. Coyotes are everywhere. Um, how are you doing today? I'm doing live now. I forgot seafood, right? Yes, seafood is wonderful where I live. It's very difficult to get fresh seafood, yeah. But here, always having a fresh seafoods. The problem is deport coyotes from the States and Canada to dilute the population of there, and now there's a pest of them. Sorry about that. Happy New Year! Happy New Year too. What do you really have for me? Hmm? It's very quieter. Where's the noise from the chicken? Are they all asleep? Yeah, are they all asleep? Oh my god. In few hours, they will awake. The chicken too. Sitting on the bed, talking to a beautiful lady with lovely attitude towards life. Simon Knight. Where are you from, Simon Knight? Mike, what do you mean? What she really has for you? Huh? I mean, the coyotes are calling to me that they are hurting the population and hunting to their permit sales. I'm not married, not yet married. Do you really have a kicks? What kicks? Thank you, Mike. Mm-hmm. I really, huh? Mike, I want you to really, you make me happy. What do you mean? Where are you from, Mike? Omasar. Hmm? They took coyotes from the States and brought them in Canada. The government did. Oh my God. United Kingdom, the country with charm and romance. We know how to speak to beautiful ladies' head and heart. Simon. Please be respectful to the host or you will be kicked out. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, guys. Oh my God. Talk to you tomorrow. Mike almost started. Talk to him tomorrow. Thank you, Martin. Oh my God. Please, people are out of their lunch break now. I watch the number of people slowing down. Right, people are watching the live. I think while they're on their break. Ah, okay, that's why. Oh my God. 26 people, 34. My God. What it looks like, I don't know. Well, if he has on his break, I gave him a 24-hour. My dad, uh, he's home. He's at home now. No, yesterday. Good morning, Ezra. Okay. Oh my god. Oh no. That's nice. That's very good. Thank you. I have to go to make uh what? I have to go to make a fire. It's freezing cold in my house. Talk to you later. Thank you, Martin. Thank you for joining. Enjoy. God bless. Have a nice day. Mm, mm, mm. Did you have any sleep? I want to sleep. Oh yeah. Oh. I need to sleep on maybe and talk to you later, guys. Did you? Talk to you. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Martin. Mm, Martin, take it easy, sir. Take it easy. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you, 55 likes. Oh my god, I fall. I need to go to sleep. Thank you, guys. I fall sleepy now. Thank you for it. And see you next live. Bye bye. Bye. Oh my god, suddenly I fall asleep. My eye bug. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Sir Kenneth. Thank you, Mike.